So the first week went relatively well. Hello, I'm Mike with WriterSanctuary, and sorry I sound a little bit off today. I'm kind of under the weather. But we are talking about week 1, officially, of the Reedsy writing course. Now it's nice to know that Tom Bromley can smile during the live sessions. He has much more depth than he does in the videos. Then again, so do I. I really don't think I gave him enough credit during the prep work. I'm just glad to see that he smiles and blinks, to be honest. Then again, it could also be a cultural thing. Brits come off as more sophisticated and serious than Americans, especially in today's climate. But in any case, I think he's doing a great job, and I look forward to more of his course. And it seems like he's getting more comfortable with the camera. Each video in succession just gets more and more personality-wise, I guess. In any case, the videos are just getting better. I wish I could say the same. Regardless, I still think that he delivers the information quite nicely, and it is incredibly easy to follow. He explains things in a way that even the most novice of writers can understand. That's complete with using examples from other books. And to be honest, that's one of the reasons why I like Neil deGrasse Tyson so much, is because he can take being an astrophysicist and make it fun for everyone. Tom Bromley kind of has a similar approach with writing. So what are my thoughts this week? Well, it's not exactly go at your own pace like I thought it was going to be. The next week's lessons are locked until you unlock the previous week that you've been working on. But throughout that week, you're able to jump around and watch as many videos as you want on any given day. Essentially, you can go through all 6 videos on a Monday. Personally, I like the daily flow of things, and we'll continue to do the lessons one at a time. Well, except for last week when I had to double up on Friday because I had a charity event this last weekend. Which means I wasn't going to be able to dive into some of the cooler things that the course offers, such as essentially being critiqued by fellow writers, which is really fun. I can't wait to try that this Friday. Or being able to go through somebody else's work myself throughout the weekend. In any case, there are a few things this week that I am going to take advantage of. Now, being able to go at your own pace like this is useful for the days like when I have a charity event that weekend. I can double up on the videos, or perhaps I'm going away for Thanksgiving. I'll be able to do 3 or 4 videos all at once. I'm still going to wind up doing them one day at a time, but it's nice to know that I have that option in case life throws something at me, which it often does. I do like the dashboard layout that you're able to see once the courses actually start. You have quite a few different things that you can do, like chat with other attendees, give and receive feedback, share thoughts on writing, and immerse yourself in the course. Of course, how immersive this experience comes down to the other students. If everyone is too shy to speak, it'll be a boring 101 days. But so far, it seems like everybody is pretty active. I've met quite a few people from all over the globe, and it's kind of neat. I think there's only like 2 Americans in the course, but hey, represent. I am going to toss myself out there more than I normally do on social media. You're not going to meet new people who just sit in the corner twiddling your thumbs. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that it is a bit disappointing that you can't save or retrieve any notes you make on each video. There's no way for those notes to travel with you, and it'd be nice if somewhere on the dashboard, or even if you're going through each video, if somehow those notes were something you can look back on. At least not with having to go back into each and every single video. That's okay, because I use my trusty notebook right here and write down all the notes I need anyway. But from a technical standpoint, it would be kind of cool if those did travel. And when I say travel, I mean from going from one video to another. That way, maybe a tab that you can look at, or even just a running tally of everything you've written down in the notes. There's all kinds of different possibilities, but it would be nice if there was something like that available. But they don't seem to be accessible anywhere except for that particular video. Now, interviews with the authors at the end of the week was kind of interesting. It was nice. They were doing how they began their stories and sharing their insights on how they got started. Everybody has their own story about where to start a book. And it's interesting to see how other authors kickstarted their own paths on their manuscript, depending on their situation. So after week 1, it was all about beginnings and how to start your book and your plots and characters. Now, there was quite a bit of information I picked up off the week, and a lot of it, though, is stuff that I already do, so it was quite reassuring to know that I was actually on the right path to begin with. And I didn't even know it. So I am really jazzed to see what more comes from it. We started week 2, and it's all about the secret sauce. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to work very much on the new story because of my time constraints, but I did get quite a bit done on everything else, and so I'm pretty confident that I'll still meet the deadline for the first draft of this book. It's really fun to be able to put in everything I learned into this new story to flesh it out more. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For more videos about self-publishing, freelance writing, blogging, or anything else I cover, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm going to go find me some Dayquil, and I'll see you next time.